Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're flipping our second car together as a couple, alright? So we got a 2010 G37
with 114k miles.
That is right, and it is a convertible. Yeah, we got a convertible G37. All it needs is a front bumper, which is right there, and a rear bumper, which is also I have to go get some tail lights. So this is what was included in the car, so I don't have to spend money on this little foam thing for the rear bumper. And I'm assuming this was in the rear trunk area, as you can see right there. And all I need to spend money on is a front bumper, which thank God the front bumper was provided right here. All right, so we're about to go on a test drive. It was very cheap, and she's gonna be the first one to test drive it, all right? But we're gonna see how it goes. The brakes feel good, the engine is healthy, the transmission is healthy, the drop top works. All we need to do is put on the front bumper and the rear bumper. Here's a point of view.
AC works.
All right guys, so it's my turn to drive it. I'm gonna see if it's a good car. I honestly think it's already a good car off of seeing her drive it, all right? So let's go. So I'm gonna put it in manual mode. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this feels good. All right guys, so I do want to be completely honest. I am selling 2 cars, and this will be my 3rd car that I have currently right now. All right, so what I am gonna do is clear out these headlights, vacuum, wash, everything that I need to do, and then I'm gonna order the parts later because I do have a lot of money locked up in these 2 cars. I popped them up on the screen. It's a G37 manual and a G37 sedan, which I got on my girlfriend. And yeah, so I'm just trying to sell those first before I dump even more money into this, because I have a lot of money spent with these 2 already as is. All right, so anyways, let's just still get to work and let's go. All right guys, so we just got done cleaning the car. I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough. Here it is, leather all hydrated. Here's the point of view, 114,000 miles. Here's the whole look, and it vacuumed, all that. Everything's pretty much done. This is just an experimental bumper. It is not gonna stay there. It's just simply there to get a better idea on how it's gonna look like with the bumper, and as well. Oh, what happened here? I didn't even see that. Me and Elia are on our way to pick up the front bumper, the rear bumper, and
The tail lights.
And the tail lights. So we're getting quoted, I believe. I put it up on the screen. I forgot how much. And we're on our way to Georgia, so we see you guys there. All right guys, so we made it here at Georgia, Springfield or something like that. The guy quoted us $200 for the tail lights. Some other people were quoting me $350. So we're getting a good deal. He sent me images and they look good. So we're just waiting on him, and I'll get back right with y'all. All right guys, so we picked up the tail lights. Next stop is Florida, which is 5 hours from here. So anyways, let's go. I lost my voice on the way over here, so excuse my voice, all right? So the guy's pulling up right now. We got quoted $450 for the front and rear bumper. The rear bumper's already painted, and just wait until you see the front bumper. I'm gonna do something else with that, but it's still gonna go on the convertible, all right? So anyways, I see you guys when he's finally here. So we finally got the 2 bumpers, $450 for both of the bumpers, and we're just gonna go ahead and shove these in this car, and then we're gonna go enjoy the ocean, all right? So that's why I wanted to go to do pickup locally, because we can also visit the ocean. So that means vacation is paid for, all right? So anyways, I'm gonna go and just pop up a few clips of that, and let's go. All right, guys, so we finally made it to the ocean. We're gonna go ahead and just have a good time, and I'll see you guys back in Tennessee. So let's go. All right, guys, so we're finally back here, home in Tennessee. I'm gonna put on this front bumper because it matches with the car that I'm also flipping for myself, and it matches. And the bumper on this one, we're gonna put this bumper on the convertible, and it's gonna get repainted white pearl. And this rear end bumper was already white pearl, and here's the tail lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all together, and then I'm gonna show you guys the before and after, and by then we should be good to paint this. So anyways, let's go. All right, as you guys can see, the front bumper is finally done. All right, white pearl, and I put on my flashlight on it. It is legitimate white pearl. All right, so what he did, he quoted us $750 for the front bumper, this fender, and that fender. All right, so if you guys don't know, white pearl is one of the hardest things to match. The best way to do it is just to fade it into the fender. So that's what he ended up doing. Pretty much the front and two fenders are basically brand new. I'm gonna give you a whole 360 look. The car is completely done. All right, here's the rear end, the one we went down in Florida. That one is also applied. OEM paint. This was not painted. It's original OEM. And then from there on, we're just gonna go ahead and list it on Facebook. We're probably thinking about 85, 8K is our minimum, because I believe, I'm putting it up on the screen, we're in almost like $6,000 into this car. So we're gonna make sure we get paid each $1,000, all right? So anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and take a few photos. I'll pop up on the screen right now. And anyways, I see you guys when it comes to selling. Let's go. All right, guys. So the car is being sold in 16 minutes, all right?
16,
Yep.
and we just got the title like 2 hours ago.
Literally 2 hours ago. And I also sold a car today, the G37 manual, the one I've been finally trying to get rid of. Spoiler alert, if you guys want to watch that video, click right here. But I made negative $200 with that car, but we're gonna be making some good profit with this one, all right? So anyways, let's go. All right, guys, the car is finally sold, all right? $9,000 was the price we sold it for, all right? We profited $3,200, and we're both getting $1,600, all right? So it's a pretty good deal to go half and half, all right? So if you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, cousin, sister, brother, in any way or form, if there's another person you can trust and do business with, please do it. Highly recommend it. Very profitable, all
Because
right?
you can get like us too.
And it took 2 weeks to sell, all right? We already got another car rolling for literally fraction of what this car is worth right here. It's literally crazy. Please watch the next video. But if it goes wrong, please don't fear nothing. Go back 2 videos. I literally made negative $200, all right? So it's not always about winning. But anyways, please like, share, subscribe. Do everything to spread the knowledge.
And hit the bell.
Hit the bell. Do everything, all right? So anyways, I see you guys in the next video, and